Steve, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Stinging Edge knife sharpener. I'm going to start by putting the clamp on the knife here. So I'm going to tighten the front screw first. That's going to put a little pressure on it. And then we tighten the back screw, and that makes it tight so the knife doesn't move. We're going to start with the red belt. This is a 120 grit. It's a pretty coarse grit. Some knives require a grit like this. A knife in good shape doesn't need it, but we're going to start with this just to demonstrate. The clamp is going to slide in this channel here to keep the angle consistent. Put the knife down and change the belt out. Next belt is a 600 grit. It's a black belt. This is going to smooth out the burr. That first belt just brought up a burr. That's some of the metal that rolls over the edge. That lets you know you're down to the cutting surface on this knife. We're going to make 3 passes, alternating left and right, left and right. This is how I adjust the belt to keep it lined up over the support. And that has smoothed out the burr. This is a felt belt. There's no abrasive on it. I use a polishing compound. This is a white rouge. Put a little bit of this on the belt. We're going to make 2 passes on each side, left and right, same motion. And we're going to take the knife out of the clamp, so we're going to loosen the back screw first to take the pressure off, and then loosen the front screw. Wipe off the blade a little bit. The polish is a wax base. Sometimes it builds up a little bit on the knife. When your knife is sharp, you don't have to saw to cut through something. It should just push right through like that. And that is a stinging edge that we just put on this knife.